Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting your controller to the console and launching settings. Once done, go to Devices and Connections and open Accessories. You choose the controller you want to adjust and create a new profile so changes are reversible. Make sure you're on the latest firmware. Apply updates if prompted. This first step isolates your Deadzone changes to one profile, which is critical for testing. Once the new profile exists, select Configure to access stick sensitivity and Deadzone controls. Now you adjust the Deadzone sliders for the left and right sticks. Start by decreasing values in small steps such as 0, 5 or 5% to avoid twitchy input. After each change, use the built-in stick visualization or jump into a low-stakes game to check drift and responsiveness. If the stick registers unintended movement, increase the Deadzone slightly. Conversely, if input feels sluggish, reduce it more. Keep a steady pattern. Change, test, and evaluate until aiming and movement feel natural. Finish by saving the profile and assigning it to the controller. Then test in various games to ensure consistent performance across titles. Different games may scale input differently. If you still see drift or dead zones behaving oddly, recalibrate the stick, check for firmware updates, and try the process with a different controller to isolate hardware issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if settings make things worse, revert to default or delete and recreate the profile. That often clears corrupt configuration problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.